H. Harry and the Hiccups. Harry had the world's biggest hiccups. Boop, beep, honk, like silly horns. He tried holding his breath, drinking upside down and counting stars, but the hiccups stayed. "You're scaring the cat," said Dad. "You sound like a band," giggled his sister. One day, Harry's hiccup honked in class and made everyone laugh. "Do it again!" they cheered. Harry turned his hiccups into music. He performed hiccup concerts and became a school hero. Eventually, the hiccups vanished. "Ah," said his fans, but Harry just smiled. Even silly things can become special when shared. From then on, he hiccuped with pride, just in case.